wondering the latest conditions of Edward Snowden, not so hard anymore. The former National Security Agency staff worker who leaked classifieds about the U.S. government's massive surveillance started his Twitter on Tuesday. He had over 185,000 followers an hour after his first tweet, "Can you hear me now?" 6 hours later, he was up to 625,000 followers. Snowden is following just one Twitter account, tweets from the National Security Agency. The username @Snowden has a blue and white checkmark, indicating that it was verified by Twitter, like other high-profile people on the messaging service. Former New York Governor George Pataki said in a tweet that Snowden's account should be shut down. He said Twitter is a great American company that should not give its platform to terrorists or traitors.